I'm looking for the C terminal on Trane XL80 in order to install my new thermostat, Honeywell touchscreen. I can't find the C terminal, only R, Y, G, W1, W2 and B. Honeywell says C is critical for power source. Please help.
Russ here. Beyond your XL80 is Tranes C terminal. Just attach C there. Russ gotoman for AC 41652.06990478001.
What information are you looking for?
V is C on all Trane HVAC units. Russ. Sorry, computer crashed. On all Trane furnaces, B is the common terminal. C on thermostats other than Trane is common. So thermostats with C terminal go to B on gas furnaces by Trane. Russ. Do you still need help? Russ.
I do, that didn't help. According to the instructions, the C terminal provides the power and there is no power running through my thermostat now after I connected the C terminal. Relist, incomplete answer.
V is the C terminal. Verify you have 24V at your furnace by using the voltmeter or a circuit tester between R and B. Check to see if there's a low voltage fuse that may have been blown. You can also see if the transformer is warm to the touch, letting you know it is powered. But B is the common. I'm gonna find a wiring diagram. C is common. It's power return line to complete a power circuit. That's B on the furnace. R is hot 24. But at any rate you should be checking why you have no 24V between R and B. It's gonna be a bad transformer or a blown fuse most likely. Here's a diagram. On the schematic it's labeled BC. I'm not sure your exact model. I think this is from a XL80 that's 100 kVs, but it's gonna be the same deal either way. Can we switch to chat? Then I can attach a photo to a message.
I also wondering about the RC/RH connection. The old thermostat has a line from RH to RC. I don't have that option on the new thermostat. Might that be the problem?
It should be there. You can try to add it and see if it makes a difference. I'm still trying to figure out how to post pics here. I usually use chat. Just found out you can't switch to chat from here.
Okay, there is no RH. My options are RC, R, WOB, Y, G, C on one side, their other side has L, E/O, K. Thoughts on what to do?
Jump out R and RC. http://dar.proflow.com/darmanager/query Product_ID equals 1583556 and use _type equals specification. Copy and paste that web address, save it for the future. It's your wiring diagram. Page 12 note 6 explains B as C.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.